The MicroView q16 computer is an edge-detecting computer that is incorporated with a standard MicroView linear slide DRO display. This system came to us with the DRO, or digital readout, working, but the edge-detecting computer was dead. Edge detecting is an option which allows a signal to be sent to the machine to perform some additional operation, which is typical in very complex metal production. This unit was rebuilt, along with the DRO, and the whole system booted right up as we expected. At ERD, we have repaired a host of DRO units used on simple 2-axis machines, all the way up to the multi-axis machines.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.